What's up, guys? Max here. So just want to let you guys know what we work on over here. Mainly domestics as far as performance. This Audi right here, it needs a turbo. It's a twin turbo 4-liter V8. That one needs a turbo. So that's maintenance. Also tuned those also. This one right here, unfortunately lifters went bad and messed up one of the bores. So the compression is really bad on that one. Oil pressure is really low, actually, not compression. This Trailblazer SS, I believe we're going to be adding nitrous. That's not something we normally like to do. It's not our forte, but he's a repetitive customer, repeat customer, so we'll take care of him. This tile is in for maintenance. All right, and then we have this Corvette over here. We're putting braking miles. It's got a brand new crate motor in it, so we're taking care of that. And then we got this C6 over here. This one has a lot of misfires. Actually, the passenger bank, the coils aren't firing. So we got a short somewhere because we plug in the fuse and it pops. So we're working on that one. And then these two right here, this one I just took to the dyno. This one made 714 horsepower, 786 foot-pounds of torque. So a really nice one. It's got a lower pulley, and it also has E85 headers, etc. And then this one right here has it's a basic setup. It's all motor. It's got an intake, E85 and headers. I'm taking this one to the dyno soon. So guys, I appreciate your time. Have a good one.